Mr. Mush here. So, today for our clay project, with our theme of bugs, we're going to make a little bumblebee on a flower, getting its nectar to make some honey. Alright, so let's get to it. So first things first, I'm going to take some green for my stem, just like this. And I'm going to make a really thick stem because it's going to hold up our bee like this. Okay, and as a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to take some of this darkish brown and I'm just going to make it like a little stand. Okay? And if you ever get your clay dirty like mine, you just roll it up and it will blend in. Okay? So no worries. All right? So I'm going to make like a little rectangle. That should really be your first step. Okay? Make the dirt like that. Okay? And then I'm going to stick this on there. I can take some green, make some little petals like this, stick them on like that, just like that, okay? See what I got there? All right, and then I'm gonna take some orange. Now you can use brown, yellow for your center, okay? I'm gonna make it big, all right? Because I want my bee to be big. And I'm gonna have it facing up towards that. Like if you look at the side, because the bee is gonna be resting on it. And I'm gonna make this like a little daisy. So I'm gonna give it white petals. Okay, I'm gonna curve them and then smush them. Okay, now I was gonna do yellow in the center, but the bee's gonna be yellow. So we don't want the bee to camouflage. We want everyone to see your bee. So that's why I'm using a little bit of orange instead of yellow. Okay? So that's that. And I'm just pinching my petals, making sure that there's enough and then it goes all the way around. Okay? And like I always tell you, you can do whatever colors you want for your flower. I think this one's just a little too tall. There we go. All right. So if you want to do a blue flower, green, a rainbow flower, it's up to you what you want to do. Okay. All right. I think I need two more. So I'm going to smush these down. And there you go. There's my flower with this last petal. And you can add as many petals as you want. But Mr. Mush is on a time frame. All right, so we got our flower, right? Next, we're gonna take some yellow and we're gonna make like a little oval like this, okay? Next, we're gonna take some black and we're gonna roll out coils like this. And we're gonna make sure they're long enough to go around our bee. And these are gonna be our bee stripes. Okay, so then I'm gonna wrap it around like this, just like this, and then I'm gonna smush it down. And I wanna make sure that I leave enough space because I'm gonna give the bee little eyes and little antenna, all right? Because I want his face to be on this yellow part, just like that. So I'm smushing down the black, and then I'm gonna do that again, okay? He's gonna have a yellow stripe in the middle with two black stripes and then a black stinger. Okay, so then I roll out my black clay. Okay, I smush it down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap it around like this. Okay, and there you go. So we got our bee stripes, okay? Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of the black, make it like a triangle like this, get it really pointy for the stinger, put the stinger on the end, okay? I'm gonna take two little black dots and give them two little eyes. You can give them a smile. I'm just gonna stick with the eyes for today. Okay, or you can give him googly eyes. Okay, oh, what the heck, I'll give him a little smile. I think he needs it. Okay, roll a little coil for the smile. Okay. Looks like a Nike swoosh. There we go. There he is. All right, next, I'm going to take some light blue clay and smush out some ovals like this. Okay, and you want to try your best to roughly make them the same size. Okay. And then stick them on the back like this. Just like that. And there you go. There's our little bee. Now, if you want to give them little legs, you can just make little black coils. But I'm going to leave it just like that. And there you go. My bee's resting on my flower. All right. So with that being said, I would love to see your bees. Take a picture, upload it to MrMushMakes.com, and your artwork could be on our art gallery on our website, or you could email it to us on our email address that we've been using for a long time. All right, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because it really helps us out in the long run. We want to keep doing this for you for a long time, so hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. All right, with that being said, I'm going to head on out of here, and I'll see you next time.